Hi everyone, I'm Nini, CEO and co-founder of StudyCrowd.AI, and in this video I will show you how you can use StudyCrowd.AI as a law student in the UK to improve your grades, maximize your chances of getting a first-class law degree and then become a lawyer. So this is like all-in-one solution that you need as a law student to set yourself up for success, both academically and professionally. First of all, we have a subscription that gives you everything you need to get high grades, and you can activate your free trial. This is the best way to access all the premium study materials that you need to get a first class. There we have monthly plans, quarterly plan, or yearly plan. And once you choose your subscription, you can make the payment. And after you activate your free trial, so you won't be charged for 3 days, so you have a chance to try it out before you have to even make a payment. So 3 days are free, and that's your chance to try it for free. So you have all the study materials that you need, all the core study modules that are usually taught in UK law degrees, European Union law, human rights law, employment law, all the core modules are there as well, criminal law, contract law. So you can see from this drop down, you can see all the modules that we have. For example, let's say land law, we have revision notes, case summaries, model essays, quizzes, tutorial videos, and flashcards. For model essays, for example, this is a very, very useful resource that our law students love, because this is basically problem and essay questions from past exam papers that have actually come up on exams in different universities, and how you're supposed to answer it, like full answers drafted at high to one or first class level, at least high to one level, and it gives you like basically the word by word answer of what you're supposed to write in order to get a first class. You can copy them, but this is like your model answer samples that you can follow. Revision notes are summaries of all the reading materials that you need to be reading, so you don't have to read all these big complicated textbooks that they give you, because let's be honest, it's not really possible to read thousands of pages of overcomplicated law textbooks and then expect yourself to remember everything for the exam. So what we do is we already read it for you. We read all those complicated law textbooks for you. We read all the complicated journal articles for you and all the complicated case summaries for you, and we have put everything together in just few pages, so it focuses exactly on what you need to know to get a high grade. So you don't have to read thousands of pages, and instead of thousands of pages you read like just 10 pages condensed study notes, and you just know everything you need to know from there. So for each study module that you open, you have all the main topics summarized in just few pages in very simple language so that you can easily understand. Also, if you have, for example, any specific case summary that you need to access right away without going through notes, you can do that as well. For example, you want to know the case summary of Donahue and Stevenson, you just type the case name and you get the case summary right here. Yeah, and yeah, all the case summaries are here. And flashcards, you can practice all the main principles with flashcards. Tutorial videos, we have like lots of short videos that gives you explanations about how to answer problem questions, essay questions, and quizzes are to practice. Right, so on top of that, we highly recommend you to use our AI tutor, which is the best resource for now that you can have to maximize your chances of getting a first class law degree. For example, you need assignment help, or you need exam preparation help, or you can summarize your lectures. You can upload documents as well. So you can upload your own course materials to further personalize this AI for you, or you can do research, anything you like. For example, what is negligence? This is the question that I just asked, and it gave me a very comprehensive answer, and it gives you answers according to the study materials that we have on the platform, and all these first class study materials and resources that we have used or to help law students get first class grades and become lawyers, it is in the brain of the AI. So it just gives you responses much more accurate than generic AI tools, because it is specifically trained on legal education in the UK, and it is also clearly visible by its answers. Like, what is negligence? It doesn't give you a generic answer. If you ask this to any other generic AI tool, it will give you more generic answer rather than specific to a law student who is studying in the UK. So it gives you here an answer that, according to the study materials found on StudyCrowd.AI, negligence is defined as the failure to exercise degree of care that is reasonably prudent a person would exercise under similar circumstances. So exactly the words and the definition that a law student should memorize for exam purposes, and we have specifically trained it for that. It's cornerstone of tort law, and it also gives you examples of how this is applied in problem questions and essay questions. If you give it, for example, a problem question, it can give you like very step-by-step guidance about how to answer this problem question, all based on all the vast class resources that we have given this AI access to. So just consider this as a legal education expert, AI tutor that knows exactly how to get a first class, and gives you much more accurate responses that is specifically for law students in the UK. Also, it is trained for legal careers. So if you have questions about how to become a lawyer, or how to draft your solicitor applications, barrister applications, pupillage applications, training contract applications, or vacation scheme applications, all those things, it can help you with that. Interview questions, ask any kind of legal education or legal career question, and it will give you the best guidance to help you with that. So our AI tutor is so far the best resource for law students. And finally, we have human tutors as well, and our recommendation is to use AI tutoring on a daily basis, but on top of that, you should use human tutors as well for final review of your courseworks, or for just a few hours per module, 6 hours per module is the best recommendation. So if you use AI tutor and our resources every single day, and on top of that, per year you do 6 hours of tutoring per module per exam that you have, that would be the best way to maximize your chance of getting a first class, and that works the best. And human tutors can be booked through this page. You can either get a one-to-one class on Zoom, or you can get a review and feedback service. So this is when you get just a written feedback on your courseworks and assignments, which is possible as well. And we have group classes as well, which are free. So we have webinars, kind of sessions that you can attend for free. Also, you can just go to our YouTube channel, and there are lots of free classes that we have put out there, and all the socials are here. Right, so make sure that you book one-to-one class for at least 6 hours per subject. That is my recommendation. So once you click on one-to-one class, it will give you an option to choose either 1 hour session, 3 hours, 6 hours. Depending on which package you choose, you get a discount. So if you get a 3 hour package, you get £11 discount. If you get a 6 hour package, you get £30 discount. But if you just get a 1 hour one, there is no discount for that. After that, you have to select your tutor. For example, you can select one of our tutors, like Aidvilla, she's an amazing tutor. Continue. Then you have to just select date and time, and date and time that she's available. For example, let's say 23 of August, 5 p.m. Click on the available time you want. Click on next. The time that you have selected will appear here, and then you can proceed to checkout. Once you proceed to checkout, you can enter the description of what you want this tutoring session to be about. So the tutor has some information. You can upload any notes or materials that you want the tutor to have access to, and then you can just click confirm. And and after that you will be taken to the payment page, and once the payment is made, the tutoring will be confirmed. But if the payment is not made, then tutoring will not be confirmed and it will be cancelled. Right, so next step that I highly recommend you to take would be to look at our career advice services. So everything is here. Career advice is just like tutoring, but instead of guiding you through courseworks and assignments and mooting or dissertation or exams, it's a career mentor, a qualified lawyer who has been through the path already, who has already graduated from law school and already went through the bar and or solicitor exams and is already a qualified lawyer and can guide you through your legal career. So whether or not you want to become a solicitor or a barrister, or you just want a job in the legal profession, like a government job or like a paralegal job or something like that, they can help you. Our qualified lawyers who do career mentoring sessions, they are trained to help you with any legal job that you may need in the UK. So you can just like tutoring, you would book hours with them. And yeah, for example, Villa, she's a barrister and she can help you become a barrister, or she can help you apply for paralegal jobs. She's been a paralegal before. You can read the description for more details, and ladder as well. So you can first choose the hour, then the mentor, and then you need to choose the date and time. And once you choose the date and time, you proceed to checkout, and similar process. If you want to upload your CV or cover letter, you're welcome to do so. And you can then describe what you want the session to be about. So the mentor has some information and you click on confirm and you make the payment. So that would be all. If you have any questions, you always have this customer service chat available. You have answers to all questions here. But if you need any further support that is not covered in the help center, you can always ask, obviously. Just start a new conversation and our customer service representative will be with you shortly. Just leave a message and we will answer you as soon as possible. And finally, I just wanted to mention that if you have any specific requests, for example, if you want us to create study notes based on your own reading materials, if you want us to go through your own reading resources and create study materials based on that, we can do that as well. Well, AI can do that too, so you can try with the AI first, and if you want something more, you can also make a request and we will create custom study materials just for you. Our content creators, we can do that for you. These are all the resources that gives you everything you need as a law student in the UK to first graduate with a first-class law degree and then become a lawyer. So this is a must-have resource that can set you up for success. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please let me know.